Live stream is loading and it's now loaded. We can say totally inappropriate stuff. So I've got you guys, you need to know Frosty the Snowman is not real. All right. The idea to get snow in San Antonio, first of all, is impossible. Second, to put a magic hat on that little lump of snow in San Antonio and make it a magical person is totally, totally fantasy. So Frosty the Snowman is not real. All right. Now, I said my totally inappropriate thing for the day. Salazar, can
Yeah,
you your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
yeah. Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Put your hand down, sir. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Brian Salazar?
Yes, sir.
The same Brian Salazar with this cause number 2025 CC 017041, who is charged with the offense of criminal trespass. Is that you?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plead by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it.
Yes, sir.
Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yo. Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, I understand that I will not have a right to appeal. Do you
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead, sir? Guilty,
No,
not guilty, or no contest?
no contents.
Okay, 1 minute. And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, that the court can still find you guilty?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to do this?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has someone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
You're doing this of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite if there is?
Yes, Your Honor, it is a $0 fine plus court costs, 30 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, both time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, this will be a judgment satisfied.
That's your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Swerk?
It is, Judge.
Do you agree with this, Mr. Salazar?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Salazar, the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 30 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. Swerk?
This is it, Judge.
Okay, so if this is the only case holding you, sir, you should be released sometime today, okay? Tell the deputies that we're finishing your case. Good luck to you. Mr. Swerk, you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. So then, I'm just going to be signing some stuff on my screen. Someone tell me to pay attention when I need to. All right.
The judge, no.
Do you just get this? Okay.
Okay, who do I have on my screen now? I recognize the oldest dwarf.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah.
She keeps changing her hair. I think that's is that Aurelia? Is that you?
Yes.
I see her last night. She looks totally different today. She said she's like a movie star. She keeps changing her hairdo. It's got a okay. Judge, I made a mistake on the voucher. One of her cases is being dismissed. That would
Okay.
be
Let me
one.
back up just a minute. You've got two clients. You got an Escalante and you have a Bustillo. This lady is Aurelia Escalante, right?
Yes.
Yes, this is Miss Escalante.
And the one, and which is the one that's being TIC, please?
Okay, TIC for Miss Escalante is 25 CR 15045 for Aurelia Escalante. That's being TIC'd.
Okay, let me see what I have on
0117
my
Tristan.
screen.
Yeah.
Just to make sure that we're all on the same page.
The voucher is the only thing that I messed up. I should be 500 instead of 400.
Okay, so it's showing 307. Okay. Well, we can correct the voucher.
Yes, sir.
All right. Miss Escalante,
Yes.
can you raise your right hand for me? You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Aurelia Escalante?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Aurelia Escalante who in this cause number 2025 CC
Yes, sir.
17307, who in this cause number is charged with the offense of failure to identify? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Can I ask the prosecutor, is this charged as an A or a B?
Hey, Judge.
Yeah, it's an A, Your Honor.
It's an A. Okay, this is charged as a Class A misdemeanor. It is possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Looking at a document on my screen entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you
Yes.
signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'll have to call
We're
you.
now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it, and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes. That I
Hold on. Let me sign this document. 1 minute.
Aurelia, this is what we talked about last night, remember?
last night. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it. Your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you
Yes.
understand that?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of failure to identify as a Class A misdemeanor, how do you plead, ma'am? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
You said no contest?
All right.
Yes, that's what we talked about, Aurelia.
No
Okay,
contest.
so you plead no contest. Okay, thank you. Hold on 1 minute. Let me. And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, that the court can still find you guilty anyway? Do you understand that?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to do this
No, sir.
besides the plea bargain agreement that your attorney got for you? Besides that,
That's
someone
it.
someone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, sir. Just that, sir.
Okay, are you doing this of your own free will then?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite the plea bargain?
Yes, Your Honor, it is a $0 fine plus court costs, 29 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, both time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, this will be a judgment satisfied. Additionally, Your Honor, as part of this agreement, the state will be taking into consideration and dismissing cause number 2025 CC 015045.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Oberstdorf?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Ms. Escalante?
Yeah, that I'm gonna be time served?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Ms. Escalante, the court accepts your plea, no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I filed the plea bargain. I sent you to a $0 fine plus court costs. Sentence you to 29 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. Judgment is satisfied.
Yes, sir.
Taken into consideration will be cause number 2025 CC 015045. That means that case will be dismissed in return for your plea in this case.
Yes, sir.
So, Jim, if these are the only cases holding your client,
Yeah, well, I think so, Judge. The other one has a parole hold, but this one does not. Correct, Aurelia?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll go back home to the rocking chair, Aurelia. You're rocking back and forth.
I know.
okay,
I know.
That's it, Judge.
Judge,
yes.
before you approve it, Jim asked if you
Oh, yeah,
could
yeah, I'm
fix
sorry.
the 500.
Yes.
Oh,
We'll do
thank
that.
you.
Thank you
You're
for
welcome,
reminding me.
Jim.
Yeah,
Thank
my
you for
little
reminding
helper.
me, George. All right. So, if these are the only cases holding you, then you should be released sometime today. Okay. Hopefully, these are
Yes,
the only
sir.
cases. I don't know, but if they are, you'll be released sometime today. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Jim,
Thank
don't
you.
go anywhere because you got another case.
Yes, sir. I'm right here. Yes, sir.
Good morning, Attorney Baker. You're muted.
On my paperwork, I don't have the SID or date of offense filled in because I couldn't, I don't find my record of appointment anywhere in there and it's not on the docket sheet. So I just wanted to let you know.
Okay, and we're waiting on your client.
Okay,
Yeah,
Hold on.
they haven't brought her yet.
okay,
Could be a while. We don't know right now.
okay. You want me to check back in the courtroom or
Have we heard anything about the people on that transport, Debbie? Have you heard anything from the deputies?
Let me check, Judge. Judge, the bailiff said they're en route and he expects them in the next probably 30 minutes.
Okay, so can you check back in the 30 minutes or so, Mr. Baker?
absolutely, Judge, be happy to.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Is Mr. Oldestorff's clients one of the clients that's in transport problems right now?
Yes, Judge, it's Bustillos. Bustillos is,
Okay.
we're waiting.
Yeah, we've had a transport problem with your client, Jim. If you want to check back in 10 or 15 minutes, or if you want to stay where you are muted with your screen black.
I
it's-
do have to go to the courthouse, but I think I'll stick around and see what happens. And
Okay, we've had a transport problem this morning,
sure,
so.
thank you.
Okay. And by the way, I had a I've had a pleasant surprise this morning. I don't know if it's for me or for someone else that's using this desk. A little red package with some cool stuff and a box with a coffee mug in it. And Debbie, do you know who these
That's
belong to?
Bailiff Farias.
I'm sorry?
Bailiff Farias gave that to you.
Oh, we did. Okay, well, I have to say thank you. Okay, well, I'm tempted to start eating the candy. All right, never mind.
I think what I'll do, Judge, this is Jim again, Jim Ultersdorf. I think I'll jump in the car and and go to the courthouse. It'll take about 45 minutes to get back online. Does that sound okay?
I don't have a clue, but I'm hoping it will be okay because
Okay, because I do
have to
have
delay it.
some-
I don't want to make you,
Yeah, since we've got that kind of a time frame, it'll give me time and I'll get back on when I get there.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll find a cubby hole somewhere and we'll do that. And that'll help me keep things moving down there because I'm afraid if we don't, there might be some people stuck in jail.
Right.
You know, so let me sign off and I'll get back with you, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Attorney Garcia, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 1.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge,
Yes.
since we're waiting, is it okay if I step away for just a sec? I'll be right back.
Well, all right. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, Jerry, what's happening with you? You open on your client? Is that what's going on? So,
Judge, Attorney Eagle is on the bond docket. You want me to let her in and you can explain that it's gonna be
Yeah.
longer?
yeah.
Okay. I'm letting her in now.
And we should have paperwork on Evans, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. And let me just talk to this attorney and I'll be with you in a minute.
Thank you, Judge.
Joanne?
Yes, Judge.
We've had a transport problem this morning with some of the prisoners and they're going to be a little bit late. You are welcome to stay around with your screen black and yourself muted, or you can come back in about 15, 20 minutes because there's a delay on the transport on these guys.
Okay, I'll come back in 15, 20 minutes. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you. Hopefully that'll be good. Okay, Mr. Kampmeyer, I got your paperwork on your client on my screen. There's 3 sets of paperwork. Your client completed in all 3 of these things?
Can we, can you let them know to put?
Mr. Kampmeyer,
Sorry, what was that, Your Honor?
is your client pleading in all 3 cases?
He's
Or
supposed
one
to TIC
TIC?
one. If TIC one, I can tell you which one.
Please. There's an assault, a terroristic threats, and another terroristic threats.
Judge, I'm waiting on, his client is in breakout room 7. I'm waiting on the jail to send him back to the main session.
Okay,
Okay, they're TICing
They're letting him
one-
know right now.
I'm sorry, they're TICing which one?
136.
136. Okay, that's gonna be TIC. All right, we got your client on the 7th floor of the jail, but they're trying to set him up right now, so we're not quite there yet. But once we get him, all right.
Thank you, Judge.
Jerry Valdez, you're still waiting on your client? Is that what's going on?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, just don't be so loud, okay? Thank you. That was a joke, Jerry. That was a joke. Never mind.
I'm in the doctor's office right now. So.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
Are they gonna go in here? Yeah, they're gonna go in here.
Okay. Debbie, that gentleman on my screen, Mr.
Evans.
Evans. Okay, Mr. Evans, can you raise your right hand for me? You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down, sir. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Now let me get your paperwork up. Cases. 131 would be good. Oh, hold on. Now this one. Okay.
Are you
Hold on. All right, Mr. Evans, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name, is it Early or Arlie?
Arlie.
Is your name Arlie Evans?
Arlie Evans.
Are you the same Arlie Evans who has cause number?
AF.
Are you the same person whose cause number 2025 CC 017131 who's charged with the offense of assault causing bodily injury? Is that you?
I guess it is.
Well, no, there's got to be no guess about it.
Okay, that's the charge. That's the charge. Let me hear. Did you have an address for me there, or what was that?
Sir, I can't take this plea and get you out of this jail unless you acknowledge that you're the same person charged with that offense. If it's not you, then I have to send you back to trial.
Okay. Well, that's why I'm being sure that I'm acknowledging it's me. It's me. Now, what was the address again? The file.
I have no idea. I'm just asking you if you're the same person that's charged with the offensive assault. Is that you?
That's me. That's
Okay.
Mr. Evans, do not ask the judge questions unless he asks you a question, you answer that question specifically. Do you understand? Or we're going to get a reset. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Assault causing bodily injury is a Class A misdemeanor, and it's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. And it's possible you can get a fine anywhere from $0 minimum up to a possible maximum of $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir, I do.
I'm looking now at a document on my screen that's entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video. You signed this document, and so did your attorney. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document.
I'm taking the test for the KCR.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document on my screen that's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of assault, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Okay, let's look at your paperwork one more time. Your paperwork is saying no contest. So you want to change that to guilty, or is it no contest?
Mr. Evans, we discussed this. We said no contest.
No contest, no contest.
Okay, no contest. Okay. And are you also the same Arlie Evans who in cause number 2025 CC 017143, when that cause number is charged with terroristic threats?
Yeah.
You got two charges. Okay. That case is the Class B misdemeanor, and it's possible in that case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. There's a fine from $0 to $2,000. In that case, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty. Or is no contest? I don't know.
No contest. Okay, you pled no contest in both cases. 1 minute, please.
I've tried to call him and tried to use other inmates,
And you understand that on pleas of no contest, the court can still find you guilty anyway. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter these pleas?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargains that your lawyer got for you, has anyone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
You're doing this of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain in these cases? Can I ask the state to please recite it? If it's the same, we can just do it once.
Yes, Your Honor, they are different.
Okay.
With the assault case, it is 180 days in the Bexar County Jail, suspended and probated over a period of 12 months. A $500 fine that is fully probated plus court costs. A mental health evaluation with recommendations. An anger management course. 30 hours of community service. And a no contact order with Taylor Carruthers.
Okay.
And then the terroristic threat case, it is a 12 months of deferred adjudication, a $250 fine that will be fully probated plus court cost, a no contact order with Melissa Moreno.
Melissa, what was the last name?
Moreno? Yes, sir.
Okay.
And we would ask that this run concurrent with the assault case.
Okay.
And Your Honor, as part of this agreement, we will be taking into consideration and dismissing cause number 2025 CC 017136.
Okay. Is that your understanding of the plea bargains in these cases, Mr. Kampmeyer?
Your Honor, we asked for one modification to this plea. This was his residence. He's not sure if he has any property still on the location. We asked for an exception to the no contact order for a one-time civil standby to retrieve his belongings.
Yeah, I have a TV.
I don't
Mr.
have
Evans?
Yes, sir.
I have a problem with that generally, except he has to have the police officer go with him and stand by when he does that. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. That's what we asked for.
Okay.
Judge,
Yes.
may I also ask, I put on there the stress education and not anger management because
Okay.
she put APSE. APSE is stress education, not anger. Is
Okay.
is that okay, ADA Keeley or Taylor?
That's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
So instead of anger management, it'll be the AP. Is it Paul?
APSE, it's stress. There's a big difference between the two.
Okay. So then, you agree to all this, Mr. Kampmeyer?
Yes, I think this is appropriate, Your Honor.
You agree to this, Mr. Evans?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Evans, on your assault case,
Yes,
which is
sir.
what I have on my screen right now. In that case, the court having heard you plead no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a fully probated $500 fine. I sentence you plus court costs. I sentence you to 188 days.
Is it
Probated.
180 or 188? Sorry.
I thought I heard 188.
It's 180, sorry, Your Honor.
It was 180? Okay, sorry, my
Sorry.
mistake.
Thank you.
180 days, probated for 12 months. I'm making it a condition of your probation that you do 30 hours of community service. Making a condition of your probation that you do a APSE course. We still want the mental health evaluation. Is that right? So I'm going to have to type that in. I don't see that anywhere.
Yes, you're gonna have to type it in, Your Honor.
Okay.
And what is that?
Okay, and then no contact with I have Taylor Carruthers.
And please be
Except
some kind
for
of, yes, thank you, Judge.
hold on a minute. And I guess I'm going to have to type in here. Where did I type it in before?
Which one are you asking, Your Honor? I'm
It's in
sorry.
the miscellaneous box.
Miscellaneous box.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Underneath where
okay, I
we
guess
put-
I'll just type in mental health eval and then space. I don't know how to usually word it. Police presence for removal of items. Okay, that's for him to go get his stuff at the house. I'm hoping that describes initially what he needs to do. And then no contact with Taylor Carruthers. I think I've typed everything in here that I need. Or in this case, run concurrent with 2025 CC 17 048. All right, and only one set of supervisory fees on this, Alex, and make it the minimum. Okay, so I'm going to sign off on this. Hopefully, I haven't screwed it up too badly. If not, then Jordan will point that out to me and make me correct myself. Right, Jordan?
No corrections.
All right.
All is good.
Okay, and then now I've done one set of paperwork for you, sir. Hold on, I got to do one more, or else you get stuck in jail. So be careful. So just hold on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then the next one I've got to do is the 17143, and it's this one.
Last night. Since last night I came here. Parking.
Okay, so then cause number 2025 CC 017143, we are charged in that case with terroristic threats. The court haven't heard you plead no contest on that plea. The court finds you guilty on that plea. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to hold me, let me back up. I do not sentence you. Back up. I find that there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty in this case. However, I do not find you guilty. Instead, defer or postpone any adjudication months. Place you on probation for 12 months. I assess a fully probated $250 fine plus court costs.
Once or twice.
$250
And you have no contact in this case with Melissa Moreno.
No, hey, you say, if the judge called, you have to be in a while.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay. You tell the deputies that you still have to talk to the probation officer. So tell them, please, not to take you away, that you still have to talk to probation. All right.
Okay, what I got to talk to?
So just stay where you're at. And Alex, can you go and talk to him there?
Yes, if Mr. Evans, if you can ask him to have you join 7, breakout room 7.
Ask him what now?
Ask the deputy to help you join breakout room 7.
Breakout room 7? No. Breakout room 7, you said?
Yes, breakout room 7.
Deputy?
And then Mr. Kampmeyer, you can be excused.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good one. Happy holidays.
All right, thank you.
Judge, I want to ask you one question. I didn't have no numbers.
Sir, you have to get your personal property. He can't help you with phone numbers, okay?
Personal property from where?
Ask the deputies, they'll tell you.
Okay,
Good luck.
okay, thank you.
Yeah, I did for 6 months and stuff.
What's your name, sir?
Judge, next is Ramos.
Okay, 1 minute. Just let me finish one.
Okay, sorry.
I'm signing the dismissal on the TIC case on Mr. Evans.
What do I need to ask y'all now?
Okay, so Ms. Keeley, I've signed the dismissal of the case that was taken into consideration. So I think I can go ahead and trash that case that was in for the plea paperwork. I'm about to do that. Okay, I'm sorry. Now, Debbie.
Okay, if I need to contact you, Mr.
Hold on,
Lawyer?
attorney, I'm sorry, Mr. Evans, we're trying to get you moved to room 7. 1 moment, please.
Okay. Trying to get me moved to 1-7?
Room 7. Room 7.
Room 7?
I got you, sir. I got you. Right here, sir. I got you. I got
Okay,
you.
you got me. You got me here.
Is that the judge right there? Oh, that's the judge right there.
Yeah, you need to go to room 7 with the probation officer.
They haven't signed me a room breakout. Excuse me, so now they haven't signed a breakout run yet, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
you just move yourself back to 7. Look for the 3 dots. Scroll down and it'll say 7 again.
Did you print the document?
3 dots, records, transcript, join breakout room. Oh, there we go.
Hopefully that's back. Yeah, okay. Now, are we having fun yet?
Judge, just to let you know, all the inmates are here now.
Yay! So then, we're still working on the plea docket though, right?
Yes, we have Anthony Ramos next.
Anthony Ramos is next. I'm looking for him on my paper docket.
And Anthony brought his magic dust, Judge, so we can get out of here.
The Santa Claus does. Anthony. Okay. I had played with that dude, man. Let's see. Anthony Ramos, I'm pulling up his paperwork. Okay, Mr. Ramos.
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand for me?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear the testimony that you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down, Mr. Ramos. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see that screen? Do you see my
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is your name Anthony Ramos?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Anthony Ramos who in this cause number 2025 CC 017111 who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case? You
Yes, sir.
understand that? Okay. I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on 1 minute. Let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You signed it, your attorney signed it. When
Yes,
you
sir.
signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, Judge, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty,
No.
guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, hold on 1 minute. I just lost my cursor. Okay, here we go. One minute. And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, that the court can still find you guilty anyway?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, has anyone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
You're doing this of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor, it is a $0 fine plus court costs, 28 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, both time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, this will be a judgment satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Valdez?
That is your agreement, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, I didn't quite hear that. Is that the
That is the agreement.
Okay. And do you agree to this, Mr. Ramos?
Yes, sir.
Then, Mr. Ramos, the court having heard your plea of no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I'll follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 28 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current, and the judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr.
Yes,
Valdez?
sir.
Jerry, do you know if this is the only case holding
That's the only thing, Judge.
All right, so if this
Yes,
is
if that's the only thing he has.
Okay. If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Good luck to you. Tell the deputies that we're finishing your case. Jerry,
Okay.
you can be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Merry Christmas if I don't see you.
Merry Christmas. I don't talk to you then. And don't forget the magic dust.
I won't.
He's the bus attorney.
Okay, so then,
Oh, over the headset. Judge, now we're just waiting on the attorneys that we let go.
okay, so right now I'm looking at my docket where Mr. Castillo needs to come back, Mr. Oldersdorf needs to come back, John Garcia conferring with his client. And then on page 3, Kenneth Baker. I don't know if he ever reported in, but he needs to come back for Evans. Kiera Evans.
He reported in.
Okay. Veronica Martinez, Ryan Arnett. Did he ever report in?
Arnett, I'm still waiting on Arnett. He has not
Okay.
reported in.
Okay. And then on the last page, Veronica Martinez. Again, that's Ryan Arnett. Okay. All right. So then, can I go with the plea docket, the bond docket with pretrial? Do we have pretrial here?
Yeah, she's in the waiting room. I'll let her in.
Okay. Okay. Good morning, Jennifer. Good morning, Jennifer.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm fine. Can I go over the docket with you?
You may.
The paper docket starts with number 1 being Holly Bishop.
Yes, Judge.
And
They should be here.
okay. Let me make sure I'm doing this correctly. Okay. Bishop should be here. Now, number 2, Bradford.
Should be here.
Number 3, Dawson.
Reset.
Reset. Number 4.
Should be here.
Should be here. Okay. Number 5, Martinez.
5 and 6 should be here.
Simple start, right? Because
Okay. Number 7, Rain.
Reset.
Reset. Okay. Number 8.
8, 9, 10, 11 should be here.
Okay. All righty. So we're just waiting for the attorney today to show up. So, and we have a couple pleas that we still have to do, but I just wanted to go over the docket with you. Thank you for doing that for me. It's a hurry up and wait situation. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Good morning, Attorney Arnett.
Good morning. Sorry I'm late this morning.
That's okay. Do you have? That's okay. We were kind of late too. Do you have an offer?
I do have an offer on my client's misdemeanor cases, but she does have a pending felony that arose out of the same day. I don't have an offer on that case. So
we're going to set for a felony pending then, right?
Do you want to speak with the ADA?
I want to speak with the ADA. It's just a possession case, so I want to see if maybe they have something in the notes about TIC in it that wasn't in the offer. But worst case, we'll get it reset.
Okay, I'll put you in breakout room 6, please.
Thank you.
Do we have Joanne Eagles' client here? If I can get her out of here, I will.
One of the screens.
Out of here if I can.
His name is Juan Solis.
Yes, Judge, we're getting him.
Okay.
It's number 10.
Okay, Juan Solis. Okay, hold on.
Number 10.
Go ahead and.
Yes, sir.
I'm sharing my screen now. Waiting for Mr. Solis. Someone tell me when we have him.
Receiver. Right here? Yep.
Okay, Juan Solis. You need Juan Solis, sir?
Why,
Okay.
do I put the, okay.
Mr. Solis is here in a charge of driving while intoxicated as a second offense. He has a $25,000 bond. His information sheet is telling me, by the way, I need to take this off of YouTube. 1 minute.